Imagine holding the key to your desires, a tool so powerful yet so simple that it could unlock the doors to your dreams with just a few words each day. In today's guide, we will explore the profound impact that a single affirmation can have on your life. Affirmations, simple positive statements that can change your mindset, offer a pathway to manifest your deepest desires. With just one well-chosen affirmation, you can steer the course of your life towards success and fulfillment. Let's look into how affirmations work and learn how to utilize them to their fullest potential. Affirmations are positive statements that, when repeated frequently, aim to challenge and undermine negative thoughts and foster positive changes in your life. The practice is rooted in the psychological principle of self-affirmation, which suggests that repeating certain positive statements can boost your self-esteem and reprogram your mental and emotional responses to the challenges of daily life. When you consistently affirm your abilities and goals, your brain begins to adjust to this new, positive perspective. This is because affirmations can gradually rewire your brain, enhancing neural pathways that promote feelings of self-worth and confidence. It's a concept supported by neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to reorganize itself by forming new neural connections throughout life. The more you affirm something, the stronger these connections become. This means the repeated positive declarations not only help in alleviating self-doubt, but also fortify the belief in your capabilities. The affirmations serve as a bridge between your current reality and the reality you wish to create. They anchor your focus, enabling you to maintain a positive outlook even when faced with setbacks and challenges. By continually affirming your aspirations, you align your mindset with your goals, thereby setting the stage for actual manifestation. It's about creating a positive mental environment for your ambitions to thrive. Why concentrate on one affirmation rather than many? Focusing on a single, powerful affirmation simplifies your mental focus, creating a clear and undiluted channel for your energy and intent. This concentrated approach allows for a deeper connection to your goal, enhancing its integration into your daily thought patterns. When you scatter your efforts across multiple affirmations, it can dilute the impact of each. Choosing one affirmation that encapsulates your most important aspiration helps maintain a consistent, targeted direction for your energy. This focus increases the intensity of the affirmation's influence on your subconscious, making it more likely to manifest into reality. The simplicity of one affirmation also aids in regular repetition, which is crucial for cementing this new positive belief within your mind's landscape. In this approach, the chosen affirmation should be robust and all-encompassing, reflective of a core desire that has a broad impact on your life. For example, affirming "I am fulfilled and guided by positivity" every day can influence various aspects of your life, from personal to professional realms, cultivating an overall sense of achievement and well-being. By harnessing the power of a single affirmation, you not only focus your mental resources more effectively, but also create a potent force for change. This concentrated effort can transform a simple phrase into a profound catalyst for personal evolution and success. Before integrating an affirmation into your life, it's essential to prepare both your mind and environment to support this practice. Preparation is key to maximizing the impact of your affirmation, ensuring that it resonates deeply and effectively within your daily routine. Start by selecting a time and place where you can consistently practice your affirmation without interruptions. Consistency is crucial, as it helps to establish a routine that reinforces the affirmation's power. Mornings can be ideal, as they set the tone for the day ahead, but any time that you can have a few quiet moments is suitable. The location should be a space where you feel at ease and free from distractions, such as a corner of your bedroom, a personal study, or even a peaceful outdoor setting. Next, focus on achieving a calm and receptive state of mind. And this can be facilitated through a few minutes of deep breathing or meditation, helping to clear your mind of clutter and stress and making it more receptive to positive messages. The goal here is to create a mental environment where your affirmation can be planted like a seed in fertile soil, ready to grow and flourish. Crafting your affirmation is a delicate process that involves selecting words that are not only positive, but also resonate with your personal aspirations and core values. And then the affirmation should be concise, typically a sentence long, and phrased in the present tense. This helps you to visualize it as a current truth, not a distant goal. It should state what you want, not what you want to avoid. For instance, instead of saying, "I don't want to feel stress," reframe this into a positive by saying, "I am feeling peace throughout my day." This positive framing is crucial, as it helps to focus your brain's attention on what you wish to increase in your life, not what you hope to reduce or eliminate. The choice of words should evoke strong, positive feelings. The affirmation must be meaningful and personally significant. It should reflect a deep desire or need, enhancing your emotional and psychological connection to the goal, thus making it more powerful. A well-crafted affirmation can motivate, inspire, and sustain you through challenges and doubts. By carefully preparing for and crafting your affirmation, you set a strong foundation for its role in your life. These steps ensure that your affirmation has the best chance of becoming a true catalyst for change, deeply integrated into your daily thoughts and actions. This thoughtful approach takes the simple tool of an affirmation and turns it into a profound influence on your mindset and life trajectory. To effectively manifest the benefits of your chosen affirmation, integrating it into your daily life is crucial. This involves more than just occasional repetition. It means making the affirmation a living part of your daily routine. Start by setting specific times throughout your day for focused repetition of your affirmation. Early morning, as part of your waking routine, can instill a positive outlook for the day ahead. Likewise, repeating your affirmation last night helps reinforce the positive messages, allowing them to influence your subconscious mind during sleep. In addition to these set times, find opportunities throughout your day to silently repeat your affirmation. This could be while commuting, waiting in line, or during any idle moment. These frequent repetitions reinforce the affirmation's power, embedding its positive message deeper within your psyche. To enhance this process, you can use reminders around your living or workspace, such as notes on your fridge, desk, or on your phone. These reminders will prompt you to pause and affirm, continually redirecting your focus back to your desired state of being. Enhancing affirmations with visualization techniques significantly amplifies their effectiveness. Visualization involves vividly imagining achieving the state or goal declared in your affirmation. When you visualize, you engage the brain's regions associated with actual experience, thus enhancing the affirmation's impact, as the brain does not distinguish well between real and vividly imagined experiences. To practice visualization, find a quiet moment to close your eyes and focus on your affirmation. As you repeat the statement, construct a detailed mental image of yourself in the situation your affirmation describes. See yourself living out the reality of the affirmation. Imagine the setting, the sounds, the conversations, and most importantly, the feelings associated with the outcome. Feel the joy, peace, or confidence that comes with achieving this reality. This emotional connection deepens the impact of the affirmation, making it more likely to manifest. These visualization sessions do not need to be lengthy. A few minutes daily can suffice. The key is consistency and emotional depth during the visualization. By integrating visualization with your affirmation practice, you create a powerful synergy that can accelerate the manifestation process, transforming your affirmation from a mere phrase into a compelling catalyst for personal change. As you integrate affirmations into your life, it's natural to encounter doubts and setbacks. These challenges are common, but they do not signify failure. Rather, they are an integral part of the learning and growth process. When doubts arise, it's important to address them directly. Acknowledge your feelings, but also remind yourself of the reasons you chose your affirmation. Reaffirm your commitment by recalling the positive changes you are aiming for and why they matter to you. It's also helpful to maintain a regular review of your progress. This can involve journaling about your experiences or simply reflecting on changes in your thoughts and feelings since you began your affirmation practice. Regular review helps you see how far you've come and can reinforce your motivation to continue. If a particular affirmation doesn't seem to resonate as strongly over time, consider adjusting it to better align with your evolving goals and perspectives. To deepen the impact of your affirmation practice, consider incorporating complementary techniques that enhance focus and mindfulness. Meditation is a powerful tool that can be paired with affirmations to strengthen their effect. By meditating, you clear the mind of extraneous thoughts and better prepare it to receive and retain positive affirmations. Spend a few minutes meditating before reciting your affirmation to create a mental space free of distractions, enhancing the absorption of positive beliefs. Another method to deepen your practice is through the use of affirmations during yoga or other physical activities that encourage mindfulness. This combination of physical and mental focus creates a holistic approach, aligning body and mind with your intentions. The physical movement helps to release tension and improve circulation, providing a conducive physiological state for mental clarity and emotional calmness. Integrating meditation and mindful physical activity into your affirmation practice not only reinforces the mental changes you're seeking, but also supports overall well-being. This holistic approach ensures that the affirmation permeates every aspect of your being, physical, mental, and emotional, creating a unified force directed towards your personal growth and success. While we wrap up our video of affirmations, remember that the key to a successful affirmation practice lies in consistency, patience, and a belief in the transformative power of your words. Stay committed to your practice and watch as the changes unfold, bringing you closer to the life you envision.